Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add music to your Instagram post. First of all, open the Instagram application in your mobile phone, and from here just click on the plus icon which is in the center of the screen in the bottom section. Just click on the plus icon and make sure to choose any kind of image that you want to add. Let's say I want to choose this image, click on the next, and from here just click on, as you can see, like on the below side there's an option called music, text, overlay, filter and edit. You can just add the music from this section, or on the like above section you can read a suggestion music which we can see as well.
I've been searching
Music,
for a
like you can see the music option was available, or you can just click on the music from the below side, and from here let's say you want to add any kind of music. uh, you can just write down the name of the singer or the song as well. You can just search it down, select the music, and once the music is selected, after that it will be added. Let me just add it.
your clue, your clue.
And once like the music is added like this one, so you can just click on done, next, and you can just write down the caption as well as now. And now you can read that like the Sapphire by Ed Sheeran is, this music is added into my post. You can just click on share, and that is a simple and easy process. After that your music will be added to your Instagram post.